If you have been thinking about becoming a Twitch streamer, 2025 is a great year to start. But here is the truth: you cannot just open the Twitch app, hit go live, and expect people to watch. You need the right setup, the right approach, and a plan to grow your audience from day one. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to start streaming on Twitch so you can go live with confidence. The first step is creating your Twitch account. Go to twitch.tv, sign up, and choose a username that reflects your brand. Make sure it is easy to remember and matches your handles on other platforms. Consistency across social media makes it easier for people to find you. The second is choosing your streaming software. The two most popular options are OBS Studio and Streamlabs Desktop. Both are free and work well for most streamers. OBS Studios is highly customizable and lightweight, while Streamlabs offers a user-friendly interface and built-in tools for alerts and chat integration. The third is setting up your stream layout. This includes your webcam feed, gameplay captures, alerts, and overlays. You can create your own or use free and paid templates from sites like Nerd or Die, Visuals by Impulse, or Stream Elements. Make your layouts clean and readable without cluttering your screen. The fourth step is configuring your audio and video. Use a quality microphone for clear voice audio and camera that can stream in at least 720p. In OBS or Streamlabs, set your output resolution and bitrate according to your internet speed. Twitch recommends a bitrate between 3000 and 6000 kbps for smooth streaming. The fifth step is preparing your stream settings. Give your stream a descriptive title, select the correct game category, and add relevant tags so viewers can find you. Write a short and friendly description for your About section so new visitors know what your channel is about. When you are ready, hit the Go Live button. During your first few streams, focus on getting comfortable with the process rather than chasing high viewer counts. Talk to your chat, keep energy high, and treat every viewer like they matter, because they do. After each stream, review your VOD to see what worked and what could be improved. Take notes on your audio, video quality, and interaction style. Small adjustments over time will help you grow faster than big changes made all at once. Finally, remember that streaming is a long-term game. Stay consistent, keep improving your setup, and engage with your community on and off Twitch. Over time, you will see your channel grow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment any other questions that you have about streaming on Twitch. I will see you guys in the next video.